Just this week, we got a really scary story about a hip implant that literally sank back into people's pelvis. You would think this would be incredibly rare and never happens, but it actually increasingly is happening more and more often. Implants can even be recalled. Don't let this happen to you, someone you love, or even someone you know who's due to have surgery. As it turns out, there's a health hack you can use to absolutely positively prevent this from happening. Watch to the end to find out what it is. This week, a publication of the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons exposed a new type of hip replacement implant that surprisingly sank a few years after it was implanted right back into the pelvis. It stinks when they recall your car, but in the end, you can take it back to the dealer for a quick fix. The same is not true of your total hip replacement. It can't be fixed without a risky second surgery that's unlikely to turn out as well as it should have. So, how did this happen? A company, Kyocera, was trying to solve a real problem. They introduced an innovative technology that enhances bone growth into their hip implant, but the concept backfired. Instead of growing more stable, the implant was too hard for the adjacent bone and sank back into the pelvis. Kyocera is not an outlier. From 2002 to 2013, Consumers Union found that FDA recalls from the 6 major hip replacement manufacturers have increased steadily over the last 20 years. That's why we're bringing you this health hack that you need to know. Ask your surgeon for registry data on the hardware they plan to use in your body. A registry is a list of everyone who had a given total joint replacement surgery over time. Registry data has proved effective in warning orthopedic surgeons about bad or even dangerous practices. For example, it was registry data that exposed metal-on-metal hip implants as having a high failure rate. This knowledge led to the ceramic ball in a titanium socket with a radiated polyethylene liner combo that the best surgeons use today. Registry data was also how orthopedic surgeons learned that a wider socket led to a lower risk of dislocation, and ultimately 3D printing of the socket implants. No, you do not order the implants, but you do choose the surgeon. And your surgeon chooses the implant. So choose a surgeon who uses implants. A registry has proved to be safe from recall over time. For goodness sake, don't be shy about asking. Your surgeon is going to use legit power tools on your body while you're asleep. You should feel comfortable getting to know them first. Having been one myself, I can assure you that any good surgeon is more than happy to discuss and explain their implant choices. It's their skill, but it's your body. You're the customer, and you deserve the best. Remember, you only get one chance to get it done right the first time. Click the link in the upper corner, enter your email, and we'll send you our checklist on what else you should look out for in a joint replacement surgeon. And for more health hacks, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below for weekly updates right in your feed. For Best Practice, I'm Dan Lieberman.